Hi friends, welcome to Craft Magic. Today I'll be showing you how to make a beautiful DIY Christmas tree ornament using colored papers. You can take any color papers of your choice. First you have to cut out 5 squares from the paper and the sides of the square should be 9 cm. From the A4 size paper, I have cut out 5 squares. On the 4 sides of the square, mark 2.5 centimeters. Draw vertical lines joining the points. You have to draw lines like this. Next, fold the paper through the lines which you have drawn. This is how the paper looks after folding. Apply glue on one side of the paper and stick them together. Mark 0.5 cm on the 4 sides of paper. Draw vertical lines joining the 2 points as we have done before. After drawing the lines, fold the paper through the line which you have drawn. You can use a ruler to make a perfect fold. Open the sides of the paper using a ruler, or you can use your fingers as I am doing in the video. Fold the paper as I am doing. After folding, the edges of the paper will look like this. Same way you have to repeat for the opposite side of the paper. Fold the paper through the center as shown. Apply glue on the paper and stick both the sides together. After sticking at the center, you will get the paper like this. Same way you have to fold the remaining 4 squares. I have folded the 5 squares. Take one folded paper and mark the center of the paper. Draw a line vertically from the point which you have marked. Mark 2.5 cm on one side of the paper, and from that point we have to draw a horizontal line. Mark 1.5 cm on one side of the paper and draw another horizontal line. Draw 2 slanted lines as shown in the video. Below the center line, mark 1 cm and draw a horizontal line. Divide the 1 cm width line into equal halves. Mark 0.5 centimeters and draw a horizontal line. Again mark 0.5 centimeter on both the sides of the line which you have drawn now. Draw slanted lines to the point which you have marked as I am doing in the video. You will get an image like this. Again you can erase the guidelines at the center. After erasing the unwanted guidelines, you can easily cut the paper through the lines which you have drawn. Using this piece of paper, you can shape the remaining 4 pieces which you have already made and kept. Take a single piece of paper, apply glue at the center of the paper and stick another paper on top. Repeat the same for the remaining pieces of paper too. After sticking all the papers, this is how it looks. Apply glue on the paper and place a small piece of thread for hanging the Christmas tree decor. Our beautiful Christmas tree decor is ready now. I have made 3 more pieces here and see how beautiful it looks. Hope you like the video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do watch my Christmas series videos. I have provided the links in the description and comment box of this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.